So most of the cotton grown in the state of Texas and throughout the cotton belt is actually transgenic cotton, which includes traits, herbicide tolerant traits, and also insect tolerant traits. On the insect side of things, these are traits that where the plant creates a toxin, a natural toxin that's very targeted toward things like bollworm and some of the other worm pests that infest cotton fields. So with those transgenic traits, or those BT traits, that has also been one of the major benefits to those traits, has been the reduction in pesticide use. Because again, that plant is creating its own toxin against those worms. Most of the cotton that we grow in Texas, it's stacked, both the insect and the herbicide traits are stacked together. And the herbicide traits give the plant tolerance to certain herbicides that would normally kill that cotton plant. So it allows us to selectively kill the weeds without injuring the cotton plants. So on the BT technology that again is in most of our cotton varieties, that plant actually, a gene's been inserted in there where it actually creates a BT toxin, or Bacillus thuringiensis toxin, which is a natural insecticide, but the plant is creating it in this situation. And when the Lepidoptera worm, or worms, caterpillars, feed on that, then they actually get a stomach ache and basically quit feeding on those cotton plant parts, which then allows that fruit to go ahead and develop and make, the length and seed. So Texas is kind of unique compared to some of the other cotton production states, because it does produce not only upland cotton, which is what's produced on 95+% of our acres, but it also produces Pima cotton, primarily in that El Paso Valley. And Pima cotton is a longer staple cotton, a finer cotton that's usually used in the very high thread count shirts and sheets and things like that. Your upland cotton, which is again most of our cotton acres, is what goes into towels, blue jeans, and things like that. But Texas is unique that it grows both types of those cotton.